Okay, for the very last piece of this project, and I know you're done with it. We're done after tomorrow. It's due tomorrow, Tuesday. If you look on your rubric, there's one section in here, 5 points for a question. You need to create a question about your geologic time that incorporates the information you've been using. You also need to provide the correct answer to your question. So by the information we've been using, that's your geology notes so far. That's the geologic time scale, uniformitarianism, catastrophism, constructive processes, destructive processes. So you have to look at your time period scrapbook and develop one question per group member about your time. Something that students would have to think about a little bit and actually look through your slideshow to find the answer to. So to do this, you're going to take your slideshow, and I might even do this for you, add a last slide. Add a slide. So right now I'm going into Gabby's group. And in their slideshow, I'm going to go down to the very last slide. I'm going to hit the plus sign for add a slide. Did I do that in the wrong spot? I don't want it to be a title slide. I want to go to layout and have it be a title and body slide. Call it questions. And then I need to see each member of your group. So I'll have Gabby. She'll have a question and an answer. Who else is in this group? Anna and Mick. You each need to provide your own question and answer. And I will be able to look on the slideshow. I can go in and look at all the edits and know that each one of you typed your own question with an answer, and the answer has to be right. That's in the rubric. If you look over to the side here, part of the rubric is that the answer has to be correct, and it has to incorporate the information that we've been learning about. Okay? We have not been learning about dinosaurs. We have not been learning about which dinosaurs lived at a time period other than the fact that that was the time of the dinosaurs in general. Don't ask something super specific like when did the time period begin and end? Okay, that really doesn't have much to do with what we've been talking about. Needs to be something that incorporates your notes. So I need a question and an answer from every member of your group on the very last slide. All right? And then we're all done.